Good morning guys! Ayan, nagluluto yung aking wife. At siya naman yung in charge sa kusina for today. Today's Saturday morning. Preparing for our lunch. So, she's boiling. She prepared to boil the pork. And then, with bitter gourd or ampalaya, and then with noodles or satenghon. Ayan mga ka-RJ Vlogs. Ay, natapon guys, sorry. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aking English Carabao guys, kasi pinag-aaral ako noon, sa Gagambahan ako nagpunta, kaya yung English ko is pinulot lang sa basurahan. So abangan natin guys yung niluluto ng aking wife. So, ampalaya con carne with sotanghon. So, kita-kits po tayo mamaya mga ka-RJ Vlogs.